In this video we will show both of you formulas to kill joint pain. This will help ease back and leg pains too. The primary fixing in these formulas is gelatin. Gelatin contains two amino acids, proline and hydroxy-proline, both of which are advantageous to solid joint texture. Other than giving quality to the joints and heart muscles, gelatin enhances your digestion and skin. It's rich in collagen, a protein that is found generally in bone tissue. Collagen is another motivation behind why gelatin is to a great degree gainful in fortifying the joints and muscles of the heart, enhancing digestion, expanding mental limit and keeping away from the development of bone issues, for example, joint pain and osteoporosis. In this formula you will utilize dry, flavorless gelatins. The hued gelatins regularly utilize colors that add poisons to our bodies. You can locate this boring, flavorless gelatin in any great market and most well-being nourishment stores. All in all, how does this treatment go? It's exceptionally basic. During the evening, before going to bed, blend 5 grams of gelatin in some frosty water. Give the blend a chance to sit out finished night. Try not to place it in the icebox. This blend will transform into a jello-like substance. The following morning, eat this jello on a vacant stomach. On the off chance that you can include a smidgen of nectar or naturally pressed lemon or squeezed orange. Inside 7 days, you will begin to feel the advantages. Proceed with this treatment for 30 days and rehash the procedure following a half year. The second formula helps in the reinforcing of joints and muscles, expanding mental limit and maintaining a strategic distance from the development of bone issues, for example, joint pain and osteoporosis. This formula contains a high measure of vitamin C, that aids in the aversion of a few bone ailments and furthermore has mitigating properties. This formula has vitamin C, as well as contains manganese that enables the bones and aids the separating of fat and sugars. It likewise attempts to retain calcium and directs the glucose. Manganese is likewise rich in collagen. Ingredients: 250 ml of water, 1 cup of oatmeal, 2 cups of chopped pineapple, 1 cup of orange juice, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 5 grams of powdered gelatin, colorless and flavorless. Instructions: boil the water, adding the oatmeal and stirring continuously. Wait for it to cool. Next, prepare the juice in a blender. Blend the pineapple, gelatin, orange juice, and cinnamon. After that, mix in the oatmeal and blend again. Drink immediately.